So here it is, our newest flip slash our new house. Let's go in because it's freezing out here. This is the before. With that.
What?
All right.
It's real.
Living room. The existing kitchen.
This is me.
And that's Evan, who is not going to change. And that's Cam. So we're gonna knock down all these walls. First floor bedroom. And as you can see, Steve's already started. And we just closed on this house on Friday. Steps to the second floor, which are going to be gone. This is the only bathroom right now in the entire house. It's on the first floor, and it's quite little. And it's a 3-bedroom house, so here are the other 2 bedrooms upstairs. This is mostly an attic, because the ceilings are, oh, don't lose that. That's nice. Yeah, this was an attic. They converted to 2 bedrooms.
Yes, and this is the attic.
Tiny house. This second floor will be completely leveled off. It's going to disappear. And we're going to do an addition. Bye-bye kitchen. So then if you come out here to the porch, we're actually going to enclose this, or Steve is rather, and this is going to become part of the house. So this is going to be the new kitchen. Everything you see here is not going to stay. But this basement is going to be finished, and it is going to be the kids' playroom. Oh my God. Oh. So again, steps will move. I'm gonna go over there. Did Dad do it?
Yes.
Now it's a real construction zone. Oh God. Is this even a house? Oh my God. Look at it. There's nothing left. So this is the one side where there's my garage, and that's where the kitchen is going to be. But I completely removed the roof in the second story. Wait till you see the inside. It's crazy. Oh my God. There's my fireplace. Kind of in the dining room. And here's the state of our house after some thunderstorms, a lot of water, a lot of rain. Oh gosh. But look what Steve did. Second floor's going back up. Yeah.
I like it out here. Wait, what the?
Good.
Why does it say?
Need the storage. This is our second floor with no walls. Extend the chimney or not?
Yes.
So we were at the house, and Steve has all the walls put up. He had them put up yesterday on the second floor. So this is it. So this is where our master bedroom is going to be. Master closet, master bathroom, boys' bathroom, Evan's bedroom, 2 windows there. This is the top of the steps, which are not in yet, but hopefully next week or the week after they will be. And then none of the walls are up, obviously, but then this will be Cameron's room, and then that'll be the office. Oh, I'm so excited. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it really is. when you get inside. To me anyways, because now I can visualize the rooms and we're talking about lighting and you know. So it's really coming along down here. And everything is just so wet. All this rain that we've been having is just, ugh. And yes, I am impressed. Look at that. What is that like? Yeah, that's a good third of the house. We have a roof of sorts. And the Amish are coming tomorrow to put the roof on. We're getting a metal roof. It's hard to shoot this, but we do have a roof. Most of it is on. The plumbers have been here too, so we're going up to the second floor. We've already put in, well Steve and the plumbers have put in the bathtub for the boys' bathroom. So we're working on the main bathroom here. Upstairs, got all the plumbing in. Boys' bathroom. And then this will be the hallway to our bedroom. And he's laid out the plans for the master bathroom, which is gonna be really exciting. I will let you guys know more. We're back at the house. Lots of stuff. Here's the front of the house. I'll take a picture. The roof is all finished. Into the scariest room to show you the plumbing. Because I never thought I'd be so excited over plumbing, but I am because it is so nice and neat. These plumbers did a fantastic job. And then there it is for the basement bathroom. All prepped and ready. Sadly though, this whole floor has to go. We need to bust it up to create enough space here for the headroom, because once we get carpet, or once we lay concrete in here and then we get carpet and put a ceiling in, we just need to have enough room for a finished basement. We got steps. Look at that. There goes Cam. Oh. Got some windows. What do you think, honey?
Still nothing to do.
Here is the batten and board siding. Steve got one large section of the house done. Oh my. So Steve decided to rent a mini excavator, tear up the entire floor in here. Look at this. So we at the house, guys, are taking a lunch break and we're getting spray foam insulation. We had the spray foam insulation, found a really great company. And they did all the spray foam up by the roof, and it's already made a huge difference. It's cool up here on the second floor, even though it's kind of warm outside, or it should have heated up today. It's kept it nice and cool. He told me today that he finished drywalling the entire upstairs, meaning the closets, the ceiling. Look at this. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm just like floored at how quickly he is moving along. And now, with this drywall upstairs, I picked up paint samples. There's a shit ton of floor leveler in the kitchen. Just finished that. This is our front yard. Oh yeah, mud. The kids are playing with water, creating more mud. Look at that. So our RV is gonna park right here, and well, first we're gonna get concrete put down, and hopefully it doesn't rain too much this week so we can do that. Steve still has to level it out, pack it down. Okay, so you've seen the hardwood there, and he's taped everything off, all the windows are taped off. so he can spray in here. Everything is primed. So for the stain of the floor, we're gonna go with Early American by, I believe it's called Vona. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Master bathroom tile is all done. There it is. So this is all the walk-in shower, and the right and left side walls are going to be this really pretty white tile, and the back is green, and green is my color right now. Here's the kitchen. Steve assembled some of the cabinets. Well, actually they're all assembled, but these have been installed. So Steve is working on the exterior today, our yard. So he drilled holes in the back for our deck, but there's the layout for it. It goes 6 feet out on this side here, and then I can't even remember. It takes up the whole corner over here. Now we're in the house. And there's the hardwood that I stained this morning. This is the exterior. Nice new sidewalk. But yeah, obviously we're still living in a construction site.